All right, so this is for Brandon and for Chris Miller also. Brandon gave me this, he's my son, this Bulldog 2 times spicy hot chicken flavored ramen.
It is made in Korea. It's the Korean hot
It's the
noodles.
Korean hot noodles. So he had a little trouble eating these straight. So yeah, try it. So we're gonna give it a try. This stuff, you cooked your noodles like normal ramen. It had 3 packets. It had 2 packets that looked like maybe like seaweed crumbs and maybe some pepper seeds and some other things. And then you had the seasoning packet was actually this black liquid, which reminds me a lot of pepper extract, which I'm pretty sure that's some of the ingredients in this is pepper extract. So we're gonna see if I can eat this at all. It's pretty hot temperature wise right now. So let's try it.
You can see the steam coming off it.
Wait. Oh gosh, that's nasty. Yeah, that's probably pepper extract. For anybody that's had experience with extract, it's just hot. It doesn't taste good at all. I don't know the exact science, but basically they distill down peppers until they have nothing but the spice extract left, pretty much. So you got a liquid with nothing but the hot. It's very acidic, not a pleasant flavor. This isn't that. I mean, anything spicy, the more you eat, the hotter it gets. It's definitely not like kicking my butt with one bite, but it ain't tasty. There's gotta be a way to dress it up a little bit so it's pleasant to eat.
How would you dress it up? You were talking about wanting to put habanero in there.
Well, habanero would just make it hot. It wouldn't really taste good with this because it's already got a very strong acidic taste. And right now that would just make the peppers taste terrible.
Yeah.
Some kind of flavoring, like chicken bouillon, probably be tasting something like this. So maybe when you're cooking the noodles,
Oh, okay.
putting some chicken, like better than bouillon, in the cooking water.
Uh-huh.
Question is, what would a whole bowl of this do to your gut?
Ew.
Yeah, all right. I didn't do any preparatory work. It tastes like ramen. They're thicker ramens. They're thick for ramen, should I say. Most of the top
Noodle.
ramen's very skinny noodle. But the flavor is very similar. The list of ingredients is probably similar. There's about 100 things in there. Who knows what they are. Probably none of them healthy.
Tapioca starch, palm oil, wheat gluten, salt, soybean oil, water, acidity regulator, sodium phosphate dibasic, sodium polyphosphate,
Sodium glutamate probably gonna be in there. Do you want to taste a noodle?
No.
It's not terrible. The more you eat, the hotter it
I
gets.
actually don't see.
There's 2 sets of ingredients in there.
Yeah, but I don't see MSG. It does have a shellfish allergen warning on it, though.
Yeah, it looks like it's seaweed flakes.
Manufactured in a facility that also manufactures fresh fish, crustacean, shellfish. So definitely not. I don't need to take a Benny nap. I had a good nap this afternoon.
Right? Yeah, the more you eat, the hotter it gets.
I
Get
do
more of that
believe
stuff
I
in there.
have. I see sheen on your nose.
Oh yeah, there's a little sweat, but I was sweating in here. This is hot too, like temperature hot.
Yeah.
I don't know that I want to eat all this because
Well,
I'm pretty sure later on I'll pay for it.
yeah.
If I want the rest of my night to be just like, "Bleh." But it is like, I don't know, I'll take a few more bites. It's getting hotter.
Yeah.
Like every bite that I eat, it's getting hotter and hotter.
I think the Korean noodle challenge is a thing, right?
It is. But usually the Korean noodle challenge, there's people eating bowls like 5 of these.
Oh, that's like crazy.
You're right.
That's just bad for your gullet. Are your lips burning?
Oh, yeah. But it took a few bites and slurping past, to get it. Because right now the sauce is thickening as it cools, so
Yeah.
the sauce is thicker on the noodles. And now, of course, my mouth is starting to burn real good. So the hot temperature of the noodles just makes it worse. But I haven't had any more yet. Sure you don't want to bite? The problem with ramen noodles
Shellfish.
is right. The more you eat, the more you want to eat, which tells me there's something addictive in here. Something's releasing some addiction thing in me right now. So I'm close. I'm just letting the bite cool off itself because, again, the hotter my mouth gets, the hotter the temperature is in my mouth. Two-time spicy noodle. I really hope this doesn't hurt me later. I just drool. I think I did. It's either drool or sweat.
I'm figuring it was drool because it sounds like you're
It's like,
salivating something fierce.
I mean, it's not as bad as a super hot pepper by
Yeah.
any means. Ghost pepper, temperature-wise, it's getting there.
Okay.
But I've had to take a bunch of bites. Will you give me another paper towel? Because this stuff is like all over my mouth. You're good.